I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Voyager in Space Simulator. First, open the Space Simulator application on your device. Once it's loaded, navigate to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the New Mission option to begin setting up your journey. This is the crucial first step to launching your very own interstellar probe. After starting a new mission, you'll typically be presented with a selection of spacecraft. Carefully browse through the available options until you locate the Voyager probe. It might be listed as Voyager 1 or Voyager 2. Once you've found it, select it and confirm your choice to proceed with your mission setup. This ensures you're ready for deep space exploration. With Voyager selected, it's time to set your mission parameters. This often involves adjusting your trajectory to target specific celestial bodies or to achieve an interstellar path. You'll also need to set the launch date and time within the simulator. Once all parameters are configured to your liking, initiate the launch sequence to send your Voyager on its way. Once Voyager is launched, you'll use the in-game controls to adjust its trajectory and make course corrections. Pay close attention to the telemetry data, which provides vital information about your probe's status and position. With careful navigation, you can guide Voyager past planets and moons, exploring the vastness of space and discovering distant celestial bodies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.